How can I get rich? Everyone dreams of winning the lottery and getting rich overnight. It turns out that many people are looking for a way to get their first $100,000, invest in a better retirement, or a successful entrepreneur. People want enough money to buy nice homes, powerful cars, and great vacations, but not many know how to get rich. Being rich isn't just about money. Being rich is a state of mind. In a way, you can be rich, you can be poor, and vice versa. Rich can be defined in many ways. Many people just look like they are rich. For them, being rich is synonymous with being a millionaire. But wealth is also psychological wealth. Being able to live without worrying about money is an achievement. You don't have to own a castle to be considered rich. Anyone can become rich if they can do whatever they want and live a fulfilling life. The key is to live with what you have, or less. Stay normal even if you can do more financially. You may have your own preferences as to which definition is right for you, but here are some ways to get rich. It helps you achieve either, or both, of these. If you really want to get rich, take bold action. Getting rich is an ambitious goal. If that's what you're after, here are some easy ways to get rich. Make it your goal to do one thing better than anyone else. Work on it, train it, learn it, practice it, evaluate and refine it. If there's something you are good at, it is likely you can reap considerable rewards from it. It is the same concept as being at the top of a particular field. When you are the best at something, you find that opportunities come to you. Successful people invest time, energy, and money in improving themselves, and it might just be the most rewarding investment you can ever make. Make a list of the world's 10 best people at that one thing, and use this list to define criteria and track your own progress toward becoming the best. If you are a writer, for example, you might consult the New York Times bestseller list and identify the 10 successful authors that you admire the most. Not only that, you could be the first to produce a trending product in the future. When you start to serve a lot of people, the effect of word of mouth is magnified. Not to mention, you will have much more helpful feedback to improve what you do. Having the patent on a popular invention could be the fast lane ticket to prospering. It would definitely be challenging, but consider it a way of serving to benefit those who actually need your invention. Using the same potential consideration of startup in the above points, owning stocks of one or more startup companies could be a valuable investment if the company thrives and either floats or is sold to a larger enterprise. Say you borrow $200,000 and put in $50,000 of your own to buy a property for $250,000. Then you develop the property and sell it for $400,000. You have to select the right properties in the right areas and develop them wisely. You are at risk from booms and busts in the property market. If you can make steady investments in stocks over a long period, choose wisely and reinvest the dividends, then you can build a large store of wealth. If you can find a new approach towards a specific corner of the market and build a business that addresses that need, then you have the potential for success in it. If you want to become wealthier and live a better life, develop simple habits. If you are aiming for a stable life with enough money to support a living, start with the little things you can do. Choose a job of your interest, do what you love and love what you do. You might have to start at the bottom and work your way up. But chances are, if you love what you do, it's easier to make that happen. You will actually enjoy the process of getting to the top. Earn the experience through different levels of work, and when you feel like you have gained all that you can from it, consider moving on to other companies, which would widen your horizons on different business cultures. This gives you a proper place to review and refine what does and does not make sense in terms of your spending. Do what you can to reduce your bills, make sure you turn off the lights, plan meals to save money at the grocery store, and be disciplined about eating in. Focusing your life on only the necessities will have you saving much more than you were previously. Another thing you can try is to increase the amount of savings by 1% at every interval you wish. It will be better for you to consider opinions from professionals and experts. Get rich the smart way. There are far more important things in life than building wealth. Who wants to be rich, unloved, lonely, and unhealthy? But if you can get rich while enjoying a balanced life, why not? The combination of the above suggestions will not guarantee future prosperity, but it will definitely eliminate many financial problems in your life. Step by step, it may become what you dreamed of. How much does it cost to buy a house in America? The price per square meter for buying an apartment in the city center is $3,542.13, and the price per square meter for buying an apartment outside the city center is $2,117.94. Good luck.